Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can simply use CapCut templates from TikTok. So just search up like CapCut templates and like the topic you want, and I'm just going to select this, and I'm just going to select try this template. Then I'm going to select use template in CapCut, and I'm just going to open up the template. Okay, I have like the worst internet connection, so I'm just going to select use template, and I'm going to select some photos just like randomly. And I'm going to select preview, and it's going to load the effect for me. Here's the preview of the template. And then you're just going to select export, and you can also like edit the photo here. So like you can crop it so it's like in the middle here. There you go. And once you're done, just like export, and you can either save to device with the CapCut watermark or straight to TikTok without it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.